Why are you barefoot? Well, it's because shoes mute 60% of sensory input from the feet. Okay, but HR says that you can't... HR can't stop electrons, okay? $554. $555. $550. Whoa. Okay there, buddy. I'm not anti-gym. I just don't see the point of working out indoors, insulated from the earth, where your cortisol spikes, where you're under fluorescent lights and your nervous system feels like it's being hunted. Also, I do sleep better than everyone else here. So, grounding is literally just touching earth. Oh, like spiritually? No, electrically. Oh, that's worse. I thought barefoot people were just crunchy. But then he started talking about inflammation and the positive charge and how touching the earth gives you free electrons. And I'm thinking back to my childhood and my arches. He may got a point. I know, because these arches, you know, they ain't looking too good.
You know, when you work out grounded, your blood viscosity drops.
What in the heck in the world does that mean?
It just means your blood gets less sticky and it's good for you.
Also, your heart rate variability goes up by 10 to 20%. What is that? It's how chill your nervous system is under stress. And mine's vibing. So you're fasting, barefoot, eating fruit. Are you okay? Better than okay. You see, fruit increases potassium, hydration, and cellular connectivity. And grounding keeps my nervous system from freaking out about it. My nervous system freaks out when Outlook updates. Without grounding, detox feels like anxiety. With grounding, detox feels like healing. We got it? I Googled it. There are studies, like numbers. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm right here. I never grounded at night. It's been 20 minutes out here. It's pretty cold, but benefits are so good. So good. Night grounding lowers cortisol, boosts melatonin, and improves sleep efficiency. Good morning. Why are you like this? Delta brain waves. Delta brain waves. Look, I'm not saying shoes are evil. I'm just saying that they silence one of the largest sensory systems in the body. And if you're fasting or detoxing or inflamed or tired, you probably don't need more stimulation. You need a better connection. Oh, get him right there.